Hello friends, let's continue with abstract factory pattern. If you see the first sentence here, the provide an interface for creating families of related or dependent objects without specifying their concrete class. So let's see the next presentations. Let's zoom it here. This is an interface and it is abstract factory and it has the two method, the create product A and create product B. And here create product A means it is written create product A written abstract product A kind, and create product B is returning abstract B kind. So abstract A has a different families of object like product A2 or product A3. Similarly for abstract product B is holding product B1, B2 and B3. So this interface, what is responsible? It is creating a families of related products. So the related product means one is your A and another A category product, another one is your B category product without specifying their concrete class. So this interface does not have any information about a product A1 or A2. This is a concrete definitions. So that exactly referring means we can say that the first point. Abstract factory is called a factory of factory. So factory of factory in the sense that exam factory has a single method, that is create exam, and that is returning a one object, that is single object. We can say this is a one factory. And in case here, if you see here, this abstract factory is a create product A, and also it has a create product B. So create product A is responsible for return a product A type, and create product B is responsible for return product B type. So here what we have a two factory. So that's why we can say that it is a factory of factories. Let's come to the third point. This pattern isolate the product definitions and their classes name from the client, so that the only way to get one of them is through the factory. Means here the client does not have any idea about your concrete definition of product A or A2 or B1 or product B2. Client has informations of abstract product A and abstract product B, and if you see that here it has informations about abstract factory. So there is only one way. If suppose client wants to use B2, so it can take the help from the abstract product B. Similarly, if client want to use product A1, it can take the help from abstract product A. So there is a single way is there for the client. The product family can easily be interchanged or updated without upsetting the structure of the client. Means here, suppose in future suppose we want to update the product A new product will introduce. So definitely it will be coming under abstract product A. So and client does not have any informations. We can client suppose want to use A3 means client go through the abstract product A. So now the creation structure is very loosely coupled. We can enhance our creation logic of the product A family at any time, and we don't need to change any part of the code for the client. Client only interested for a new product means client will get it from abstract product A. Similarly for a product B, and in future suppose a new product another family is introduced, suppose abstract product C. So only information what we try to expose the abstract product C only. So that's the point here reflects here. That's the exactly we want to say here. Product families can easily be interchanged or updated without upsetting the structure of the client. Client code will not change at any time. So friends, what we are going to implement in the next means in the sessions to understand this abstract factory pattern. Friends, we are going to implement this class diagram. I zoom it to understand the concept of abstract factory pattern. So here this application is here. Here this one is your abstract factory. The AbstractWidgetFactory. This is your abstract factory, and it has two method, one window and one dialog. So what is the responsibility of window? Window will return the window related object and dialog will return dialog related kind of object. And again this abstract widget factory, we have two concrete definitions. One is Microsoft MS Window Widget Factory and another one is your Mac Widget Factory. and they have the implementation of create window and create dialog, and means they create window will return the window object, and of course it will return ms window object, and similarly create dialog will return the ms window related dialog. And similarly for your create window of max and create dialog of max. Let's come to the right side here. This is one product, the window product, and another one is your dialog product. The window product here, the concrete is your ms window, and next is your what, your max window. So now you can understand this is your the family of product, the window family, Microsoft window, max window. Suppose your we can say that OS window. In future, suppose new window is introduced. So this is one kind of family. Window is a one kind of family. And if you see the dialog here, so in case of dialog here, the ms dialog and max dialog. So these two are a two different family. One dialog family, one window family. And your AbstractWidgetFactory is in, just take to the left, go to the left side. AbstractWidgetFactory has a create window method and create dialog method. So these both are responsible for creating a different families of object. And in this your definition, if you see here, window has a two method, one title, one paint. In set title, we will just set the title, and the paint method will give some informations. And what is the responsibility of the client? Client has a only idea about your window, means this is your abstract product window, and client has informations about your dialog. And client also has information about your abstract factory, that is your abstract widget factory. So by using this reference, client can utilize all the concrete products. So friends, let's see the implementations, and we will see the implementation in the next sessions. Thank you, friend.